Nexxus and Biolage are both haircare brands that aim to repair and strengthen hair by repairing proteins and reducing breakages and split ends caused by UV rays, styling, and coloring. Nexxus was created in 1979 by Jerry Redding with the intention of connecting and binding together the proteins in each hair strand. It contains ingredients like wheat protein, marine collagen, elastin, and keratin to repair and add flexibility to the hair. Biolage, started in 1990 by Arnie Miller, aims to nourish hair using natural products to restore it to its natural state after environmental damage. It uses botanical ingredients and is known for its professional use of natural ingredients. The active ingredients in Biolage are aloe vera, which creates smoothness and detangles the hair. Both shampoos contain natural and beneficial ingredients, leaving the hair clean, fresh, and easy to brush. Biolage can make the scalp look greasy and feel heavy for people with normal hair, but doesn't need as much hydration. Nexxus's shampoo contains keratin and coconut oil, repairing gaps in protein and giving fine hair more volume. For colored hair, Biolage's Colorlust shampoo helps bind color to the hair, while Nexxus's Color Assure shampoo uses quinoa and elastin protein to preserve color. Biolage's shampoo is more natural as it is sulfate and paraben-free, while Nexxus is sulfate-free. Biolage's hairspray reduces frizz and maintains natural movement, while Nexxus's hairspray provides medium hold, increases volume, and adds shine. Nexxus's hairspray has a superior hold and is more affordable, while Biolage's hairspray gives a natural look and is more expensive. Overall, Nexxus has an edge as its products repair damage and protect against future damage, while Biolage focuses on fixing current problems and replacing moisture, and is a better option for those with sensitive skin or allergies.